Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. So today I'm going to be creating 3 separate pieces of what I consider expensive looking home decor. We're going to be doing this on a budget. I'm going to be using this beautiful stained glass window cling or window decal as some people call it. We're going to be using that today to cover the outer portion of our vase. Now what I'm creating can be used at a special event. If you have a wedding or a birthday party or a bridal event, anything, if you wanted to decorate the place and use something different, this is an idea that I'm going to share with you today. So this square vase that I'm using is not made from glass. It's made from unbreakable plastic. I wanted to show today in this video, you don't always have to use glass. If you choose to use this idea, you don't have to use glass. If you're going to cover it, you can use plastic. I'm going to be using my glue and I'm going to be using that silicone spatula as well. But guys, let me open this up and show you how beautiful this is. This is a beautiful stained glass looking, and as you can see, it's a beautiful floral print there. But if you look at it closely, you can see the clear parts of it has this beautiful rainbow reflective, this iridescent reflectiveness that's there. That's going to help disperse light, whether you use a candle. Depending on whatever kind of lighting you use, you can use a candle. I'm going to show you with this tap light how it disperses light really well. It actually will look beautiful if you use different color lights. So I'm going to be using some string fairy lights today to illustrate how beautiful this can be. And I'm going to be using 3 examples. So I'm going to use that tall vase, and I'm also going to be using a smaller round vase and a small tea light vase. I'm going to decorate all 3 today. So right here, these items came with the window cling. You get a craft cutter. You also get this plastic spatula to help smooth out your window cling, especially when you use this on a window. Right here are the instructions on how to use it if you place it on a window. Technically, you're supposed to spray water on your window and then just apply this. Now this window cling has a plastic backing that's kind of hard to remove. So here they also give you this little plastic lifter that's going to help you lift up the backing, which you don't need. So I'm going to peel that off and just show you how to lift off the backing. And so I'm going to place this in here just like this, place it down on there, press it into place, and then I'm going to lift it. And as you can see, that little flap there, that's not sticky. And it helps you to lift the backing off very, very easily. As you can see, it lifts off very easily. You can also use Scotch tape. If you didn't have this, you could use Scotch tape, works the same exact way. So I'm just going to peel this off and put it back on there. And now I'm going to get into decorating our vase. I'm going to decorate a small round vase as well, and again a small tea light candle. This is going to be a beautiful project. It's beautiful for anything, whether it's room decor, your room decor, or room decor at a special event. So I'm going to lay out our window cling, place that on top, measure out the amount that I need to cover the vase. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that both ends are meeting and that there are no gaps. And what I'm going to do now is just cut away a little bit of the excess that's at the top of the vase. I'm going to be using that later. So I'm just going to carefully just cut that away. I don't want to waste too much of that. And I'm going to save the rest for the second portion of the video. I'm going to use that same sticky tape that's provided when you order this. And I'm going to use that to peel off the backing. Now the backing we don't need. Again, I mean, you can save it for the projects or use it for whatever you want to. Now that backing you don't need, and you can use it for another project if you want to, but it's just clear plastic. I'm not going to use that, so I'm just going to just pull the rest of it away and discard it because I don't really need it. Okay, so now I'm going to use my clear gel tacky glue. So I know this glue is very sticky and it will dry clear. I don't have to worry about it. So I'm just going to put that on. I'm going to spread it thinly. I'm going to use that silicone brush that I have to help just move that glue around. And I'm going to start applying the window cling to the vase. Once I get the window cling onto the vase on top of the glue, I'm going to use that yellow squeegee that was provided in the little kit. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to make sure that the window cling is adhering to the glue. So I'm just going to press and push around and make sure that it's sticking. And I've done this before, guys, with other projects using window cling a couple of years ago, and it works out really well and it lasts a long time. So it doesn't peel off either. So this is going to be really beautiful. It's going to last you quite a while. So I'm going to continue. I'm going to do exactly the same thing to all sides. So now that I finished, guys, there is a little bit hanging over the edge, which I'm going to cut away later after it is completely dry. I'm going to allow this to adhere for at least 3 to 4 hours. If I need to let it dry longer, I'll definitely do that. Place this to the side, and then I'm going to continue working on a different vase, different size, different shape, just to show you how beautiful and unique this idea is. It'll fit any vase that's either square or round. You might have an issue with using window cling on a vase that has ridges or has a shape that's not straight up and down or round. But anyway, I'm showing you these 3 ideas that you could use. Okay guys, so now it's been about 6 hours and all the projects are dry. I do want to tell you that I did the small tea light candle holder, but since the process was exactly the same as the other two, I did that off screen. Okay, so we're going to move in now and we're going to remove the excess that's at the top of each one of the vases. So now that that's done, I'm going to be using this vibrant blue diamond wrap. I'm going to cut away 2 rows and I'm going to apply 2 rows each to the top and the bottom portion of this vase. And guys, this absolutely looks beautiful. I love the way this is coming out so far. This is really, really beautiful. The print on this is so pretty. And guys, look, here's all 3 together. Look how beautiful. What a beautiful idea this is. While I was working on this, I've decided that I am going to create something similar using items from the Dollar Tree, some glass vase from the Dollar Tree for the next video. So look forward to that. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please leave your comments below. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, you stay safe and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.